In this video, I'm going to reveal Google Nano Banana Pro, a tool that is currently creating massive buzz in the AI world and helping people earn a significant amount of money. How does it work? That's exactly what I'll be explaining in this video. Whether you're a content creator, video editor, or a business owner, Google Nano Banana Pro can be extremely valuable for everyone. It allows you to generate stunning images with consistent characters, and you can easily make any changes you want. Whether it's modifying the character's appearance, changing the background, or transforming the entire character while keeping consistency intact. Google Nano Banana Pro can create well-crafted UGC ad for brands in just a few seconds with a simple prompt. Not just that, using Google Nano Banana Pro, you can also create ultra-high quality thumbnails, similar to those made in Premiere Pro, but without any editing skills required. And the best part? You can do everything right from your phone, PC, or laptop, whatever resources you currently have available. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Google Nano Banana through Higgsfield AI. You can visit the official Higgsfield AI website through the link in the description. Once you visit the website, simply click on Unlimited 4K Nano Banana. This will open the main interface, where I've already created a variety of images and thumbnails using Google Nano Banana Pro. From the creation panel below, you can start generating images with effortless ease. Just enter a simple prompt. To enjoy unrestricted usage, enable the unlimited mode, and you'll have full, limitless access. Let me demonstrate the image editing feature. Click the small plus icon to upload any image of your choice. Once the upload is complete, enter your prompt. For this demonstration, I'll use change the outfit to white. You can customize the aspect ratio and image quality as well. 1K and 2K outputs are available with unlimited access, while 4K quality requires credits. You can also adjust the number of images you want to generate. After setting your preferences, simply hit the Unlimited button. Within a few seconds, the final image will be ready. As you can see, the result delivers exceptional image quality with perfect character consistency. Only the outfit color has changed while everything else remains untouched. Where other AI tools often struggle with consistency or details, Google Nano Banana Pro stands out with remarkably accurate and flawless outputs. Now I'm going to apply a few additional enhancements to this image so we can see how powerful the results truly are. First, add a black cap to the girl and click the Unlimited button. After a brief moment, you'll see the output. Once again exceptional, with remarkable consistency. Next, I'll demonstrate how easily you can transform the background. Using a simple prompt, change the background to a Hollywood-style cinematic scene, then hit Unlimited. The results are absolutely stunning. From here, you can elevate the image even further by using Higgsfield to generate a cinematic Hollywood-quality video. Simply tap the image, select the video option, and enter your prompt. Higgsfield provides a range of top-tier AI video models to convert your still image into a dynamic video. For this demonstration, I'll continue using the WAN 2.5 model. Once you've entered your prompt, choose your desired duration and resolution, then click Generate. After a short wait, your cinematic video will be ready. Delivering impressive results with perfect consistency, exactly matching the original image. And now, let me show you how to create a truly eye-catching thumbnail using Nano Banana Pro. Now it's time to enter your thumbnail prompt in this box. I've already created a detailed, high-quality prompt with the help of ChatGPT, complete with characters, fonts, and the Nano Banana logo. I'll paste it here. Once that's done, select the 16:9 aspect ratio for your thumbnail. After choosing the ratio, I set the quality to 4K to ensure the best possible output. Then simply click the Generate button and wait for a few seconds. As you can see, the tool has produced a stunning, ultra-sharp thumbnail. Every word is spelled perfectly, something Nano Banana didn't offer earlier and something many other AI tools still struggle with. They often fail to render text correctly, but Google Nano Banana gets it absolutely right. Now let me show you how easily you can edit this thumbnail using a simple prompt. Click on the Edit button and add the design to your creation bar. After that, type the change you want to make. For example, if I want to replace the boy with a girl, I simply write, "Replace the boy in this thumbnail with a realistic, young, and cute girl." Again, I select 4K quality and hit Generate. And just look at the results. It has flawlessly replaced only the boy character while keeping every other element exactly the same. Truly impressive. With simple prompts like these, you can edit anything in your thumbnail: characters, the Nano Banana logo, fonts, backgrounds, and more. This tool is a game changer for creators. Using Google Nano Banana Pro, you can design top-tier professional thumbnails and even build a solid income stream from your editing skills. You can also access it for free through Google Gemini, depending on your preference. That's all for now. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel so you can keep discovering amazing AI tools and tutorials. See you in the next video.